The future belongs to patient people with good systems. Our world, however, does not celebrate this truth. It is a world built for speed, a landscape of instant notifications, overnight sensations. We are constantly sold the idea that success must be swift and spectacular. We see the viral video, the explosive stock pick, the sudden breakthrough that seems to change everything in a moment. This relentless drumbeat for immediacy can create a deep sense of anxiety, a feeling that we are always falling behind. It pushes us to chase fleeting opportunities and quick wins, hoping for a spark that will ignite our fortunes. But this is a grand illusion. The quick win, while gratifying, often lacks deep roots. Patience is not the passive act of waiting for something to happen. It is an active strategy, a form of intelligent action. It is the wisdom to know that consistent, focused effort applied over time will always outperform frantic, short-term bursts. When we are young, raw energy and ambition, we can afford to make mistakes, pivot wildly, throw ourselves at a dozen goals. Speed feels like a virtue when there is a deficit of experience. After 50, the equation inverts. Our years of work, our mistakes, our successes, they have given us judgment. We have seen patterns repeat. We understand human nature with greater clarity. This accumulated wisdom is leverage. It lets us apply effort with precision and walk one path with consistency. Trust operates on the same principle as compound interest. It begins as a small, almost invisible deposit. You keep a small promise. You deliver a piece of work on time. You speak the truth when it would be easier to hedge. Each action seems minor, no headlines. But consistent deposits accumulate. They build on each other, and slow growth becomes exponential. Signs of trust are subtle at first. An old client says, "You can count on them." Opportunities find you because reputation precedes you. It is quiet gravity, a magnetic pull that cannot be faked. Flash and hype often fail on details. After 50, your long track record compounds into autonomy, respect, and meaningful work. Our culture lionizes explosive growth, The startup that becomes a unicorn overnight, the artist who becomes a global star with one hit song. We see dramatic peaks and think that is all that matters. But this victory is often fragile, spectacular, fast, and incredibly difficult to sustain. The fall can match the rise. There is another path, the path of sustainable growth. The low, steady climb of a mountaineer, not the vertical ascent of a rocket. Less dramatic, far more durable. Systems that produce predictable, repeatable results. Prioritize predictability over intensity to earn peace of mind. Sustainable growth frees you from the boom and bust cycle. We are conditioned to think in short time frames, quarterly reports, annual goals, weekend projects. This focus traps us in perpetual urgency. What if we change the unit of measurement for our lives? What if, instead of days or months, we started thinking in decades? This shift is transformative after 50. Small, consistent actions compound over a long horizon. Your remaining time is not an ending. It is a vast runway. If you learn one meaningful skill per year, public speaking, new software, a craft, in a decade you will have 10 new skills. Invest a few hundred monthly, and compounding builds a formidable nest egg. Connect with one new person each week, over 500 trusted ties in 10 years. You do not need to build your legacy this year. Just lay the next solid brick. Start a business, write a book, mentor a generation. Do it right over time. Legacy is the sum of contributions over a lifetime. Work that still matters in 10 years. Motivation is a wonderful but fickle friend. Some days it floods in and we feel unstoppable. Other days we feel tired, uninspired, distracted. If progress relies on motivation, output is erratic. That is not a long-term strategy. The antidote is a system, a predetermined rule of action you follow whether you feel like it or not. Systems remove daily decision-making and willpower. The decision is already made. A system carries you when motivation is gone. It is the engine of consistency. Consider 3 examples. Publish 300 words every Tuesday. Auto-transfer 10% the day after payday. Listen to a 20-minute educational podcast each commute. Tie each action to a habit to make it effortless. Over years, these small behaviors build expertise, fortune, and knowledge. The goal is not daily brilliance. It is consistency. Systems are your scaffolding, brick by brick, in any weather. There is a myth that after 50, you are late to the game. This could not be further from the truth. You have arrived at a different, more strategic starting line. Your experience, wisdom, and clarity are your most valuable assets. Win not by the frantic game of the young, but the long game of the wise. Let the world chase quick wins. That noise is a distraction from the real work. Think in decades. Plant seeds that become mighty trees. Your calm, steady hand and consistency are your secret weapons. Do not be discouraged by small first steps. Every great journey begins with one. Your task is not to build your legacy tomorrow. Choose one good system and begin. Do it this week, then next week. Let the quiet accumulation of steady work build momentum. Trust the process. Trust time. You are strategically positioned. It is a position of incredible strength. Start thinking differently. Link below.